Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Emma and Ben. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. Hello, listeners. We're so happy to have you here again.
Yes, today's episode is all about a very small but super important part of English grammar, articles.
That's right, those tiny words, a, and the. They look small, but they can be a little confusing sometimes, right?
Oh yes, even advanced learners make mistakes with articles. But don't worry, we'll make it easy and fun for you today.
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you'll know when to say a cat, an apple, or it's a dog.
Okay, let's get started. So first, what is an article?
Good question. Articles are small words that go before nouns. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea.
Right, so words like book, teacher, city, or idea?
Exactly. Articles help us show if we are talking about something specific or something general.
That's the key, specific or general. We use a or an when we're talking about something general, and the when we're talking about something specific.
Let's give an example. If I say, I saw a cat, it means any cat, not a special one.
But if you say I saw the cat, that means there's a specific cat, maybe the one we both know.
Exactly. Maybe it's your neighbor's cat or the cat we talked about yesterday.
Now, let's look at a and n. They both mean the same thing, one, but we use them differently depending on the sound of the next word.
Yes, this part is important. We use a before words that start with a consonant sound, and an before words that start with a vowel sound. That's A-E-I-O-U.
So we say a car, a dog, a teacher, because they start with consonant sounds.
And we say an apple, an elephant, an orange, an hour.
Wait, you said an hour, but hour starts with an H, not a vowel.
Good point. It's about the sound, not the letter. The word hour starts with an ow sound, which sounds like a vowel. So we say an hour.
Oh, right. So we say an honest man, too, because the H is silent.
Exactly. But for words like a house, we use a because we pronounce the H.
That's a great tip. Let's make it fun with a small story. Okay, imagine this. I'm walking in the park and I see a dog.
Just a random dog, right?
Yes, just a dog. Then the next day, I see the same dog again. So I say, look, the dog is here again.
Nice. That's the difference. First time we say a dog because it's not specific. Next time we say the dog because now we know which one it is.
Perfect. So first mention equals a or an, later mention equals the.
Let's try another quick one.
Go ahead.
Yesterday, I bought a phone. Today, I'm using the phone to record this podcast.
True story?
Maybe?
All right. Now let's talk more about the.
The is special because it talks about something specific, something both the speaker and listener know.
For example, please open the door. There is only one door we both know about, maybe the door in this room.
Yes, but if I say, please open a door, that sounds strange. Which door? Any door?
Right. The is also used for things that are unique, one of a kind, like the sun, the moon, the sky, or the internet.
We don't say a sun because there's only one sun.
Exactly.
We also use the when there's only one in a specific place. For example, the teacher means the teacher in your class, not any teacher in the world.
Yes, so if you say, the teacher gave us homework, your listener knows which teacher you mean. Okay, let's do a quick quiz for our listeners. I'll say a sentence with a blank, and you guess if it's a, an, or the.
Fun. Let's go.
Okay, I saw blank elephant at the zoo.
That's easy. An elephant, because it starts with a vowel sound.
Correct. Next one. Can you pass me blank salt, please?
That's the salt, because both people know which salt we're talking about, the one on the table.
Perfect. And last one, she's reading blank book about travel.
That's a book, because it's not specific.
You got them all.
Yay, how did you all do, listeners?
Now, let's talk about some common mistakes.
Yes, one common mistake is forgetting the article, like saying, I bought new car instead of I bought a new car.
Oh, yes, that sounds strange to a native speaker. Always remember, singular countable nouns need an article or another determiner like my or this.
Right, so a book, the book, my book, or this book, but never just book.
Good reminder. Another mistake is using the when we shouldn't, like saying the people are happy when we mean people in general.
Yes, if we mean all people, we just say people are happy. No the.
Exactly.
All right, let's review quickly.
Okay. We use a before consonant sounds, like a car, a teacher, a banana.
We use an before vowel sounds like an apple, an hour, an idea.
And we use the for specific things or unique things, like the sun, the door, the teacher.
Perfect summary.
We hope today's episode helped you understand articles better.
Yeah, they're small words, but they make a big difference in English.
If you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends.
And you can listen again to practice your pronunciation and review the examples.
Exactly. Thank you all for learning with us today.
This was English with Emma and Ben.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.